guys, what is happening? Anyways, I'm entertaining myself during this quarantine. Doing a lot of painting. Anyways, I was painting the other night and I had some really cool effects onto some poured paintings that I've never had before. And I've probably done maybe even a couple hundred or more of these poured paintings. So I was pretty surprised, and I have no idea. It didn't happen every time when I did a painting. It happened a couple of the times the other night when I was working on some of these paintings. Just a couple times. So I'm trying to figure out, and I've retraced, luckily I recorded the video. So we at least have it on camera to kind of see. So one of them here is you see that? Isn't that pretty cool? So anyways, the more it moved, it pulled apart a little more. And so I have to admit, I just kind of thought, well, that's kind of different. It's a different effect. But actually, man, if you could control it just a little bit, it'd be really even awesome. Maybe you guys have seen this. I've not seen it. So, same thing. This is the same night I did this. I did want to show you these paintings. I guess I should show it to you. These turned out pretty doggone cool, didn't they? Yeah, I like them. I like them both. Let's see, this one I kind of like, I think, well, I don't know which way to turn it. Maybe this way. So, maybe this way would be the best way to hang it. I'm not too sure. But anyways, this one did kind of start out looking a little bit like this one, but I think because I really stretched it, you know, it kind of looked kind of leopardy afterwards. Leopard skin, there you go. And this one is I don't know. But anyways, so I've been thinking about everything I did, and today I am going to try to do, maybe this will happen again, I can't say, but I will try to retrace everything I did. Now, one thing I have done quite a bit of is I'll go and do a painting, and a poured painting, and then when I'm getting ready to start the next one, I will take a cup from the last poured painting, or you know, it could be several days ago if I had that color. And so, you know, and mix a new one on top of that. And maybe somehow some of the chemicals that had some kind of reaction to each other. I don't know. But I'm going to definitely try to put colors down kind of similar like I did these paintings, and see if we can have it happen again. Okay? All right. So, down we go. Okay, guys. I got to mix this up. I didn't have enough in there. Anyways, that's, oops, now I got a little extra. This is Joe Sonja's color. Violet, brilliant violet. So I need a stir stick. There we go. I don't have to have them real deep because I'm going to put the black on the bottom. So, there we go. All right. Here's some leftover yellow. Do I need more? Maybe not. I'll just use that. Okay, all these These are all latexes. I mean, geez, liquid text. I don't know why I want to mess them up when I tell you what's what, but and this is Joe Sanja. Okay, so that one's moving pretty quickly. It's pretty fast. Maybe some of the other ones will be a little thicker. This is a hair thicker, not much. Sometimes I like it when they all end up with a little different thickness. But and this was kind of pre-mixed. These are all a little bit thin, but we'll see what happens. I'm good with it, only because I've had so many of them that are too thick, it seems like, when I'm ready. Okay, so I'm going to use these three colors with white and black, and the base that these are mixed with is today is okay, 4 parts glue, 2 parts Floetrol, and no, wait a minute, this is just glue and Floetrol, sorry, and it's 2 parts of Floetrol, 4 parts glue. Okay, sorry about that. And moving things out of the way here. Oh, we need to add some silicone, because these are small containers, and I just, that one had 1. Well, that's got 2. That one got 2. Seems like 2 wants to come out. Alrighty. I can add more yellow. I got some pre-mixed off screen, so. Okay. Down they go. I'm hoping not to. Did I have that one? I just cover them with a little plastic. That's why some of the reason is, I used to use, Matt, if you watched any of my old videos, I used to put them all in little pour things with the lid. And, okay, my black is a little bit thicker. That's good. That's good with me. And let's see what the white's doing. So I have to cover them up sometimes, like right after I mix them lately. Oh, this white is really, it's pretty thick. Well, we're going to give it a shot. Should I? No. Let's thin it just a hair. Okay. The white is today white latex. And it's just Glidden semi-gloss. Nothing but water now added to it. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more. And then that'll be it. Okay. No silicone on the black or the white. Yeah, we don't need that. Let's get this going first. Clean cup. But the next pours won't be. I'll probably do the next several pours with, oh, that was a little runny on top. I don't mind a little extra white in there because I am going to put a base of black down. So that doesn't really bother me. Now this last one, they had those pretty cool effects. I held the yellow up high. We'll do a little bit. Ooh. And then bring it down. Here we go. I think that's it. That's all I'm going to use. I'm putting a lot of color on the canvas. that okay. I've been touching up these corners, but I don't know. Sometimes it's a good thing if you don't, if you don't want to lose something. I was using square canvases, but I only got a couple left, so I'm saving those for who knows. I'm not sure when I'm going to be getting some more. All right, I'm just going to put a little around the outside of the white. Now we got way too much paint. And we're going to throw this on top. And let's see, what's it going to do? I was going to put it off to the side. I kind of forgot. I wanted to open it slower, but drag it everywhere. Alrighty. Got some nice things going on in here. All right. Should we torch it real quick? Meeny, miny, mo, do I want to do it? Try to hit it real light because wasn't too sure if I wanted to torch it or not. I'm kind of pushing up from the bottom a little bit on this right now to get, instead of turning it. Don't look like we're going to get any of those really different effects that were on those other paintings. Ooh, we don't want to lose that. No, it's running fast. There we go. Stop for a minute. Let's stop and take a look. Stop before we lose it all. It's pretty fluid today because of some of the paints were a little bit thinner. But you can do thicker and a little bit thinner. You just can't get too thick. And you don't want to get too thin. So, kind of cool what's going on. Let's see if we can. What happens if we drag some up here? Well, we still got it kind of fluid. What do you guys think? Oh, I think I let it go a little far that way. I want to keep some of the orange that's left. Yeah, I think I might be leaving this one alone. I think I'm going to call this one done. Because I can't see. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it alone. As I move it one more time. Doesn't look like there's getting too many more changes now. It's kind of like all just kind of hanging out together there. I don't want to lose all that orange. Oops. Trying to show you it. Let's see what you could see, and I'm like moving it too much. Oh no. All right. Let's get this back. Poured off some of the things. It's hard to look at the camera and look here sometimes because I try to get rid of that glare. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that alone. I think I'm gonna call that one done. Anyways, guys, what do you think? Well, could have been better, but it could have been worse. So there's things about it I like. All right, guys. Bye.